Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to disable Viber notification. To disable Viber notification, you have two options. The first option is that you have to hold Viber application for a few seconds, then tap on App Info. Now tap on Notifications. Users have to toggle off the button right next to Show Notification. And that is how you successfully turn off notification on Viber. We have another option as well. To do this, go back, then tap Open Viber application. Once you have opened the application, tap on the More option located on the bottom right. Now tap on Settings. Here, tap on Notifications. Here you have various notifications such as Show Message Preview, Contact Joined Viber, Get Birthday Notification, Show Birthday Reminders, Show Explore Notifications, and various others. Here, tap on Notification Sound. Now, users have to toggle off the button right next to Show Notification. And here you go, you have successfully disabled Viber notification. You can enable Viber notification whenever you want just by enabling the button right next to Show Notification. And that is how you enable and disable Viber notification. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.